Good morning, students. Welcome to the end of week one. You have done an awesome job so far this week, and we are excited about the future, and I'm so excited about having you in my classroom. The the video you're watching right now is going to show you how to access our weekly math check-ins. So the work that you do in your workbook, you will not be submitting to me. In class, I might do a daily check or a spot check here and there, but these weekly check-ins is really how you show me whether or not you're keeping up with the work that we're doing. So I'm going to show you how to access it, and we're going to talk about it's kind of like a weekly quiz. It's not too intense, but it gives me an idea of who needs help and what kind of help you might need. So you're going to be in our homeroom. You see this, you should be familiar with this by now. And we are going to click the week one assignments and access it just like a regular math assignment. You will see this link, Friday Math, Week 1, Check for Understanding. So you'll click into this link, and it's a Google form. So the idea is you submit this form, and I get your responses, and I can evaluate how you're doing. So it says, I'll read the items to you. I'll read the instructions and the items to you in the beginning of the year, but I'll remind you that also that the expectation is that you build your ability to read and understand the questions on your own. But you can feel free to, as I read it, pause the video, answer the questions, and then restart the video. So we're going to start with the top. The title of this Google form is Math Week 1 Check for Understanding. Please complete each item and submit your form. A family member can help you read the words and use the keyboard. Try to do the math on your own. Again, the reason for that is if your family members are helping you actually understand the math and put your answers and come up with the answers for what you're doing, then I don't really get a good feel for what you can do. And that doesn't allow me to help you. The best way for me to help you is to know what you can do on your own. So with that said, we'll just do a little preview. Here's the first question, and when you scroll down, you've got another question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions to answer, and then you submit. Okay, so the questions are as follows. So I'm going to read them one by one, and then you can pause and work on each one in your own Google form. I think that will work. I'm not sure. We'll see. Um, if you can't get the video while you're doing the actual Google form, you might need a parent to help or a family member to help read the items. The picture below shows 4 groups of 2 oranges. Write a repeated addition equation that describes the picture. So here's the picture, 4 groups, 2 oranges. Your answer goes here. So you'll type in your answer. You'll click on this spot here, and the line lights up, and you actually can type things. But you want to make sure you type what I asked you to type, which is a repeated addition equation. Okay, next. Write a multiplication equation that describes the picture above. So you're still looking at this picture, and now in the first one you did a repeated addition equation. In this next one you're doing a multiplication equation. And remember, an equation is another word for a number sentence. And then the third item, write a multiplication equation showing 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. So we've got repeated addition. And now your job is to turn that repeated addition equation into a multiplication equation. So it's something times something equals 12. All right, next we've got which item shows another way to show 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. Okay, so I'm just now seeing this formatting. There's no picture that goes with this one or this one. I'm not sure why it formatted it this way. I didn't ask for pictures here, but I'm going to leave it. This is just the equation. 3 times 2 equals 6. So does 3 times 2 equals 6 mean the same thing as 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9? Does 3 times 3 times 3 equal 9? Is that what this means? Or does this picture 3 groups of 3 oranges mean the same thing as 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9? You have to make that decision and you select the box that you want to select to give your answer. Okay. Next, we're moving on. There are 3 rows of circles. How many circles are in each row? So there are 3 rows of circles in this array. How many circles are in each row? Okay. And then the last one is the same array. Write a multiplication equation that describes the array. You select the spot where it says your answer and you write your multiplication equation, and after you submit all of the items, you go down to the submit button and you click submit, and if you didn't fill out all the answers, it sends you right back to the items that you didn't finish and says this is a required question. So you got to make sure that you're at least putting an answer for each item. All right, that should do it. Good luck. I believe in you, and if you're struggling, that's okay. Everybody just is where they are, and we'll just make sure that you get the help that you need if you do need the help. I hope you have a peaceful, relaxing Friday, and do your best. Good luck, and